from the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff.
So new prototype MYN microphone in the booth today. There's no EQ on this whatsoever, no EQ on the Neve. The Oxford Dynamic EQ is not enabled. So what I wanted to do was create something that had a little bit extra brightness to it, the brightness that I would usually kind of EQ into almost every microphone. So I wanted to create something that didn't require EQ. And I wanted to make it light and small, so this comes in at about 322 grams. It's about the size of, it's probably in between the size of a TLM-103 and a TLM-102. Very simple. Capsule, my circuit. I tuned the capsule up to 70 volts, which is a little bit more than usually capsules are tuned to. You know, like on the U87AI, the capsule is polarized at 60 volts. So at 70, I get a little bit more sensitivity, I get a lower self-noise. Overall, I like it so far, but there's going to be more experimentation, and I'm sure you'll see a lot more of it in the future. Yeah, so far I really like it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. All right, until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff, fading to black.